Traveling is a wonderful way to create lasting memories, explore new places, and bond with loved ones. Whether you're going solo, with family, or with children, it's essential to ensure a safe and enjoyable journey. In this video, we will provide tips and guidelines for each of these travel scenarios, offering insights on how to make the most of your adventure while prioritizing safety. Traveling alone. Traveling alone can be a transformative and empowering experience. It provides the freedom to explore the world on your own terms, following your interests and curiosities without compromise. One of the most significant advantages of solo travel is the opportunity for self-discovery. It encourages you to step out of your comfort zone and become more self-reliant, boosting your confidence and independence. Navigating new places on your own forces you to engage with locals and fellow travelers, often leading to meaningful connections and a deeper understanding of different cultures. The flexibility to change plans at a moment's notice is a liberating aspect of solo travel, allowing you to follow your intuition and seize unexpected opportunities. Moreover, traveling alone can be a time of reflection and rejuvenation. It offers a chance to disconnect from the daily grind and find solace in the beauty of solitude. Facing challenges alone, whether it's language barriers, navigating unfamiliar public transport, or making spontaneous decisions, can be incredibly rewarding. In a world that's often fast-paced and hectic, traveling alone provides an opportunity to slow down and savor the world at your own pace, with no agenda but your own. Traveling with family. Traveling with family is a unique and enriching experience that strengthens bonds and creates cherished memories. It's an opportunity to share adventures, discover new places, and support each other through the ups and downs of the journey. One of the most significant advantages of family travel is the chance to witness the world through the eyes of your loved ones, especially children. Their wonder and excitement when encountering new cultures, foods, and landscapes can be truly heartwarming. Family trips foster a sense of togetherness and provide quality time away from the distractions of everyday life. Planning a family trip requires collaboration and compromise. It's an excellent opportunity for everyone to contribute their ideas and preferences, which can result in a diverse and well-rounded itinerary. Children can learn valuable life skills while traveling, from navigating airports to making new friends in different cultures. Family trips are a chance to strengthen familial bonds as you create shared memories that will be cherished for years to come. The challenges and experiences encountered together, from finding the best ice cream parlor to resolving minor disputes, bring the family closer and help build enduring relationships. Traveling with children. Traveling with children adds an extra layer of joy and complexity to the journey. It's a magical experience as you witness the world anew through their curious eyes. However, it requires thoughtful planning and flexibility to ensure a successful and enjoyable trip for the entire family. The key to traveling with children is preparedness. Pack snacks, entertainment, and comfort items to keep them content during the journey. Frequent breaks for stretching and play are essential, as children can get restless during long hours of travel. Child-friendly destinations with age-appropriate activities are a must. Choose places that offer interactive exhibits, outdoor adventures, and educational opportunities to keep children engaged and excited. Traveling with children provides valuable life lessons. They learn about new cultures, foods, and languages, which can broaden their perspectives and enhance their cultural awareness. Patience is essential when traveling with kids. Be flexible and adapt to their schedules and needs, as meltdowns and unpredictable moments are all part of the adventure. Exploring the world with your children can create special family memories that you'll treasure for a lifetime. From their first dip in the ocean to their fascination with ancient ruins, these shared experiences become a part of your family's unique history. In conclusion, traveling alone, with family, or with children can be an incredible experience, filled with fun and adventure. By following these tips, you can ensure that your journey is not only enjoyable, but also safe. Whether you're embarking on a solo adventure, a family vacation, or a trip with your little ones, careful planning and safety precautions will help create beautiful memories that last a lifetime. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content.